Today we'll be unboxing and trying out the Buckets and Boxes self-generating power doorbell. So as you can see, it was well packaged, and out of the box we get the receipt, and this is for the warranty. And then we also get some thank you cards, some instruction manuals, the adhesive for the self-generating doorbell remote, and of course we also get the doorbell unit, the chime that we plug to the power outlet. Okay, so this is how it works. So yun. So upon plugging it, magsa-sample sound siya. And then this is the unit, the controller unit, the wireless controller unit that kakabit natin sa labas. So self-generating, so there's no need for a battery. And ayun, so pipindutin lang siya. Yun. Okay, so there are also other sounds here, and you can also change the volume. Yun, yung volume. Yan, okay. Next. So, parang soft versus loud lang siya. Medium. May medium naman pala. Teka. Paisa-isang pindot pala siya. Oh, sumina pa. Siyempre ayaw natin yan. Okay, we have to wait. Mukhang yan na yung max. So, the second button, yung papunta sa gitna, ito naman yung pang-change ng tunes. Ayan, parang sa mall. Oh, sakto pang Christmas. Yan, malakas. Papang Christmas pa. Ayun. Yan lang siya. I'm still puzzled how self-generating yung power nito. Ayun. So that's it. That's how you use it. Very simple. This is actually my second order from this shop, from Lazada. And yeah, I really like their product.